Hello guys, I'm Diwakar back with another new cool video, and today in this video I'm going to give OnePlus Nord 5 camera review. So without wasting any more further time, let's get started. Talking about the camera, the phone comes with dual rear setup, 50MP Sony LYT700 primary sensor and 8MP ultrawide sensor. On the front we get 50MP sensor which was used as ultrawide sensor in Samsung S25 Ultra. Talking about the photos captured from the primary sensor are quite good color reproduction and details. Whereas the ultrawide camera struggles a bit in this case. You can get digital zoom up to 20x and 10x in photos and videos respectively. We get the live photo and Pro XDR support for photos. With the selfies, IC's photos are clearer and detailed with the skin texture and color. But when options of filters and retouch is used, I feel they are not well optimized for Indian skin types. Probably update in the camera segment would enhance the selfies with the filters and retouch options enabled. Talking about the portraits, it has good edge detection and bokeh effect can either increase or decrease from the slider. But you can't change it later after clicking photos, which I would say is missed from what other brands are offering. Same is the story with the photos clicked from the front camera as well. Talking about the videos, you can record up to 4K 60fps on rear camera primary sensor and 1080p 30fps in ultra wide. We get super stable mode that supports 1080p 30fps. Primary sensor has got OIS support, so videos would be more stable even if you got nervous hands. You can record up to 4K 60fps on the front as well, and that's nice. Video quality is also great in well lit daylight conditions and okayish in the dark. But photos in the dark are considerably good as photos have got night mode. But what I've observed is photos taken without night mode give better results than with night mode. That's strange. I believe it would be fine-tuned in the upcoming updates. We also get other modes like film mode, which is good if you are trying to do a short film using this device. Like you can get controls of most of the things in that, like focus, white balance, exposure, etc. But you won't get the option to zoom. We also have dual video mode where you can record video from both front camera and back camera at once, useful for vloggers. Other than this, we get other basic camera features like slow motion, time lapse, panorama, high resolution photo, etc. In slow motion, we can get either 720p 240fps or 1080p 120fps, and in the time lapse, you get the option to choose the speed or you can set it to auto. It supports only 1080p 30fps and 4K 30fps. I have also tried AI best shot and AI best phase. Both of them didn't seem working as good as they were shown in commercials. And this feature of AI perfect shot will only come if it detects. We don't have option to choose it manually. I was only able to get it on few selected photos. I don't know what's the reason. Overall, camera is decent at this price range. When you try to put filters or retouch in videos before recording, it would change the resolution to 1080p 30fps from 4K 60fps. This happens with both front and rear camera. Also, whenever I try to take a photo of objects from close, it switches to ultra wide camera so that you can take the macro shots. So this is how the recording looks. This is 4K 60fps from the front camera of the OnePlus Nord 5. So let me know how it looks. Phone gets considerably warm while using camera and goes as high as 41 degrees Celsius in direct sunlight. Conclusion. Overall, I feel this smartphone has decent camera, that is above average. Also, compare this to the other smartphones at this price range, it shows better pictures and videos than others. Keep in mind, this is not a camera-centric smartphone, don't expect this to capture flagship level photos or videos. Even though OnePlus markets it as a flagship level cameras, further they also need to put flagship processor, not an year-old processor, as most of the magic is done in image processing post taking the picture. Previously, we made videos related to OnePlus Nord 5 like long-term review, green line issue, AI features and update reviews, etc. You can check them out from the link in the description box below. If you already have this one, then we have created a Telegram discussion group for OnePlus Nord 5. Don't forget to join and ask your queries and get the latest information related to OnePlus Nord 5. And in case if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and click that bell icon to get latest videos related to OnePlus Nord 5. So that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to drop a like and share this video with your friends or family who wants to buy this smartphone. And I'll meet you in the next one.